Have you ever walked past a guava tree and never thought twice about its leaves? You saw them, green, ordinary, silent. But what if I told you, those same leaves hold the power to heal your body, restore your energy, and protect you from diseases you didn't even know were forming? What if the answer to your constant fatigue, your stubborn stomach issues, your rising sugar levels, has been quietly growing right in front of you? All this time, today, you're about to discover something powerful. Not a drug, not an expensive supplement, but a natural healing secret that has been used for generations, yet ignored by many today. This is the hidden power of guac to the power of one va leaves. Question. Let me tell you something important. Nature has never been the problem. We just stopped listening. In a world filled with processed foods, chemical medications, and quick fixes, we forgot that healing was never meant to be complicated. Guava leaves are packed with powerful antioxidants, natural antibacterial compounds, anti-inflammatory agents, and these aren't just big words. They are the reason why people across cultures have used these leaves to treat stomach pain, infections, skin conditions, even blood sugar imbalance. But here's the truth. Most people will never use them. Not because they don't work, but because they don't know, and that's why you're here. Benefit 1. Digestion. Let's start with something almost everyone struggles with. Your stomach. That uncomfortable bloating. That random pain after eating. That feeling like your system is just off. Now, imagine this. Every time you drink guava leaf tea, you're sending natural healing compounds into your digestive system. These compounds help to calm inflammation, kill harmful bacteria, support smoother digestion. So instead of your body struggling, it starts to relax, to reset, to heal. Picture someone who wakes up every day feeling heavy, uncomfortable, tired. Now imagine that same person, after a few days of using guava leaf tea, their stomach feels lighter. Their energy improves. Their body begins to function the way it was designed to. That's not magic. That's nature doing its job. Benefit 2. Blood sugar. Now let's talk about something more serious. Blood sugar. This is not just a health topic. This is life-changing because many people today are silently struggling with high sugar levels, and the dangerous part? They don't even realize it until it's too late. But guava leaves. They contain compounds that help slow down the absorption of sugar in your body, which means, instead of sudden spikes, your body experiences balance, stability, control. Imagine being able to support your body naturally, without depending only on synthetic solutions. Imagine giving your system something it understands, something it recognizes, something it can work with instead of fighting against. That's the quiet power of guava leaves. Benefit 3. Immunity and infections. Your body is constantly under attack. Bacteria, viruses, environmental toxins, and every single day, your immune system is fighting to keep you alive. But here's the question. Are you helping it or making its job harder? Guava leaves act like a natural shield. They help your body fight harmful bacteria, reduce internal inflammation, strengthen your natural defenses. Think about it like this. Instead of waiting to get sick, you are preparing your body to resist sickness in the first place. That's a completely different level of health, not reactive, but proactive. Benefit 4. Skin and beauty. Now let's talk about something visible, your skin. Because your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. Acne, dark spots, irritation. These are not just surface problems. They are signals, and guava leaves help address those signals from within. Their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help to cleanse your system, reduce breakouts, promote clearer, healthier skin. Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror, and seeing a glow that doesn't come from makeup, but from balance within. That's real beauty. That's natural confidence. Benefit 5. Weight and metabolism. Let's be honest, weight management is not easy. But what if the issue isn't just what you eat, but how your body processes it? Guava leaves help block certain carbohydrates from turning into sugar, which means less fat storage, better metabolism, more efficient energy use. It's not about starving yourself, it's about supporting your body so it works smarter. And when your body works smarter, everything changes. Now, let's make this practical, because knowledge without action changes nothing. Here's how to prepare guava leaf tea. Take fresh guava leaves, wash them thoroughly. Place them in clean water. Boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Watch as the water slowly changes color, as the nutrients are released. Then strain it, pour into a cup, and drink it warm. Simple, natural, powerful. Let me leave you with this. Healing doesn't always come in complicated forms. Sometimes, it comes in something as simple as a leaf, something you've seen 1,000 times, but never truly understood. The truth is, nature has always been speaking, we just haven't been listening. But now, you know, and the question is no longer, does it work? The question is, will you use it? Because your health, your energy, your life depends on the choices you make today. If this opened your eyes, if you learned something new, then don't stop here. Subscribe to Health Glow Hub, because your journey to natural healing is just beginning.